how to make ones, lefts, and rights. So first off, I'm going to start by doing a make one right. To do this, look for the bar in between your stitches, which is right here, and you're going to go with your left needle from the back to the front, put that stitch on the needle. Then you're going to knit it through the front loop. How I remember this is that your right hand person is your BFF. So, thinking of that when you do make one rights, is you're going to go from back to front and knit through the front, just like your BFF. Let me show you that one more time. There's that strand right here between your stitches. If you have a hard time seeing this, you can always pull your needles apart just a little bit so it kind of makes it a little bit more distinct. Take your left needle, back to front, and then you knit through the front. For a make one left, it's the complete opposite of your right hand person. It's not a BFF, it's a FBB. You find the strand, take your left needle, go from front to back, then you knit through the very back loop. Let me show you that one more time. Knit one more stitch here, find the strand, front to back, and through the back loop. Sometimes I find it a little bit hard to get into that back loop on your needle, so sometimes I will put my needle in my right hand and then just swirl it around so it's now in the back, and then knit it. One more time, front to back. I'm going to swirl around so I can knit through that back loop.